Hey guys, my name is 𝐒𝐻𝐴 and this is my very first LARP / cosplay type of video. Today I'm going to be unboxing antlers that I got from Etsy. I bought them from a store called MudandMajesty. They are 3D printed antlers, and I got these because I wanted to look like my 𝐒𝐻𝐡𝐴 wood elf character that have the antlers, you know, coming from their face and going kind of backwards. I'm sure somewhere in the video I'll post the picture of what I'm expecting to find in this box that I got from Etsy. So first I want to show you a little clip of how I actually found my box in my mailbox. Look how my package came in the mail. I have a perfectly good front door over there. Yeah, I don't know what that's about, but anyway, here's the box. It looks a little bit damaged, but whatever. I'm just gonna open it. Now, I could have bought these with or without a headband. I decided to buy it without the headband, but I got the headband. Anyway, I thought, okay, I guess I bought it unattached, but I guess she gave me the headband anyway. The antlers without the headband was $28, and with the headband, it was, I think, $32. Here they are. These look super cool. They are very smelly. They definitely smell like crafting stuff. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells like my craft stuff. So, they are the same color as they were in the picture, which I am not a fan of this color, so I'm probably going to be just painting them a brown color around the end. But these look incredible. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to attach them yet. So if they were on the headband, they'd be like this. And you would attach them right here. But I kind of want these antlers to attach to my face. So what I might end up doing is I might end up building down further and having them attached to my face, because I want them to kind of curve back this way, or I might attach them to the side. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this yet, how I'm going to attach these to my face, but it's going to look something like this. That's sticking to me. It's going to look something like this. See how it curves backwards? Because I wanted antlers like the ones from 𝐒𝐻𝐡𝐴, but I didn't want antlers that go up like this. Most antlers that I would find on Etsy go straight up, and they weren't cut to fit on your head right to go back like this. And I loved these, and my 𝐒𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐞 character has antlers going back like this too. So, can you kind of see that? These look awesome. So what I think I'm gonna do is I could just do this, even though it kind of goes out a bit. I might build more of the antler, I don't know. But whatever I decide to do, I'm going to probably glue it to my head and then liquid latex to make it look like it's actually going inside my face, you know? I'll definitely do a video on that when I get like my whole costume together, because I got more stuff coming in from Etsy. This is just one little item, $28. I don't know how well these are going to work for LARP. They're super lightweight, so I'm sure I'm going to be able to easily secure them. They're kind of interesting though. So these are 3D printed. It looks like there's like little spider webs in there. Not literal spider webs, just like where it's connected, little strings. The bottom part has this weird texture, but I like the texture on the rest of the antler. It's kind of swirly. I don't know if you can see it. I don't have good lighting in here, I'm sorry. So this part right here looks even more white than in the picture. I expected this white part to be more tan or like a peach color, but it's definitely white, so that makes me think that I'm definitely going to paint these, which is fine because I can paint things just fine. But I don't know how well paint is going to work on this material. I've never worked with whatever kind of plastic this is, so hopefully it'll be fine. For $28 or $32 attached to the headband, I would say this is hella worth it if you're interested in these kind of antlers. Because these are sick AF. I love the design. They are super light. Super freaking light. Because I wanted to use like real antlers on my head. And I was like, no way I'm going to be able to do that because they're going to be so freaking heavy. These are super duper light. But they don't feel like they're going to break. Maybe if I like smashed it against something they might break. But I don't think they're going to break. There are a few textural errors. Like I don't know if you can see here. It's kind of like, looks kind of built up right here. And there's some like weird paint spots. But they're definitely worth the price, guys. If you're looking for antlers, even if you don't like these antlers, this girl has horns of all sorts on her Etsy site. So it's called, what is it called again? So her store is called MudandMajesty. I'll put a link in the description. Excellent antlers. But at some point I will do a video of my complete costume / garb of my LARP wood elf character. And I will describe how I attach these to my head, okay? So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a while because I'm still waiting for a lot of my pieces to come in from Etsy. But yeah, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, let me know if you want to see more, because I plan on making lots of videos like this, you know, depending on how much money I have. I'm definitely going to be posting more videos of all kinds when it comes to LARP and cosplay. Mostly LARP though, because I love LARP. And all things fantasy. Super high fantasy, you know, mushrooms, all that stuff. I'm going to be making more videos like that, as well as my gaming videos, so don't worry about that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video. If you like this video, please feel free to like and share with your friends, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And as always, thank you guys so freaking much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video.